Hello there viewers, welcome back to the channel. Starting your day with a few moves is one of the best habits you can adopt, especially if you're trying to lose weight and keep the pounds off. That's because exercise in the morning can help you yield optimal results by burning more calories at a quicker pace. Besides setting the tone for a healthier day, experts say morning exercises tend to stick with the fitness routine, which helps in weight loss. The good news is, there are many at-home workouts that can jumpstart your day on a positive note. So here are a few morning exercises at home for you to wake up your muscles and kickstart your day. So roll out from your bed and work it out. Number 1. Jumping jacks. Jumping jacks, like most other cardio workouts, are a great morning exercise that is also beneficial for heart health. It promotes weight loss, increases heart and lung capacity, reduces blood pressure, improves blood circulation, and lowers bad cholesterol. This exercise also tones up your calves and deltoids as well. Just stand straight with your feet together. Jump up and spread your legs beyond hip width apart, while bringing your arms above your head. Now come back to the starting position, lowering your arms and bringing your legs together. Do 10 or more repetitions daily. Number 2. Crunches. Crunches strengthen your abdominal muscles with this cool and easy morning exercise. This is one of the best morning exercises for weight loss, as the workout strains your abs, burning out the calories. To perform this exercise, lie down on your back. Put your feet on the floor, hip width apart. Now bend your knees and place your arms across your chest. Contract your abs and inhale. Exhale and lift your upper body, keeping your head and neck relaxed. Then inhale and return to the starting position. Do 10 to 15 repetitions every day. Number 3. Russian twist. The Russian twist is a perfect exercise to lose fat in your abdomen area. To do this exercise, sit on the floor with your legs spread out straight. Now put your hand together and slowly lean back until your legs and torso form a V shape. This process stimulates your abs. Make sure that your feet do not touch the floor. Twist your torso and hands from side to side. It helps balance your glutes without moving your legs. Do 2 to 3 sets of 8 to 16 repetitions daily. Now before moving to the next one, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you can get instant notifications of our new video uploads. Number 4. Sit-ups. Sit-ups are a multi-muscle exercise. This exercise will help you melt the extra fat accumulated in your lower abdominal area. To perform this exercise, lie down on your back. Then bend your legs and place your feet firmly on the ground to stabilize your lower body. Cross your hands to opposite shoulders or place them behind your ears without pulling on your neck. Curl your upper body up toward your knees. Exhale as you lift. Now slowly lower yourself down, returning to the starting position. Inhale as you lower. Repeat this exercise 10 to 15 times daily. Number 5. Lying leg raises. This exercise will help you build abs. To perform this exercise, lie on a mat on the floor, face up, legs extended. Now place your hands underneath your lower back and glutes, so your pelvis is supported. Next, begin to raise your legs toward the ceiling, pressing your thighs together and keeping the legs straight. Now lift until your hips are fully flexed and you can't go any higher with straight legs. Then lower back down and repeat. Repeat this exercise 10 to 15 times daily. Number 6. Leg in and out. This exercise helps you lose belly fat quickly. To perform this exercise, sit on the floor with your palms down at your sides. Now, utilizing your core muscles, bring both knees into your chest. Hold for 2 counts and then extend both legs away from your center and lean back. That's 1 rep. Do 15 to 30 reps daily. So here you have the best morning exercises to lose weight. Which exercise out of these do you find the most effective? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, hit like, share and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon below. Thanks for watching the video.